Today, on the Roadside Gourmet, we are making the most amazing pan-seared New York striploin dinner ever. Let's go. We're going to take 5 cloves of garlic and just crush them with the back of our knife. Have a little bit of rosemary infused sea salt. I'm going to sprinkle that onto the steak. Season it with pepper, a little bit of oil. Flip it over. Same process. Salt, pepper. And now rub that steak all over your board. Make sure you pick up all of that yummy goodness. Got a searing hot pan. Add a little oil, a couple tablespoons of butter. Throw those crushed garlic cloves in there. Grab your steak, lay that down. Now this is going to be a 3-turn. We're going to add in our rosemary, but we're going to turn this steak 3 times. Over it goes. Spoon some of that butter over the steak. Grab a couple of cloves of garlic that have cooked down. Rub them on the top of the steak there. On the sides, add in your beans. Give that a turn. Look at that beautiful crust. Grab that garlic. Rub it all over that steak. Again, take some of that butter and spoon it over top. Absolutely amazing. Take it off the heat. We're going to tent this steak for 5 to 7 minutes. And now we can have the gratuitous slow motion cut of the perfect New York sirloin steak. If you like what we're doing, please hit the little like button, hit the bell, leave a comment, let us know what else you'd like to see us cook, and please share it with everybody you've ever met. Now to the side of your plate, you want to add our Cajun shrimp cheesy mashed potatoes. See the link below for that recipe. For the full recipe, please visit www.roadsidegourmet.ca.